Look at all this food. Yummy. Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
Let's go to the market.
Cool.
But are we going to go to the market in France?
No.
No. We're going to go to the market in Africa.
Interesting.
So do you have a trolley in Africa? No. You have a
Basket.
And do you carry your basket like this?
No.
Where do you carry your basket?
In my head.
In your head?
On my head.
Okay. Who wants to buy? Who wants to buy?
I want to buy. I want to buy.
Okay, well here's your basket.
Thank you.
Here's your basket.
Thank you.
Okay. Who wants to sell?
I want to sell.
Good. Okay, now who wants to sell grains?
I want to sell grains.
Great, Ben. Here's your grains. Who wants to sell fruit?
I want to sell fruit.
There you go. Who wants to sell
Thank you.
animals?
I want to sell animals.
Oh.
Who can say it louder?
I want to sell animals.
Clemence gets to sell animals, okay? Who wants to sell protein?
I want to sell protein.
Okay. Who wants to sell vegetables?
I want to sell vegetables.
Good. There you go. Too bad for you. Get stuck with the veggies. Okay, so let's set up here as a market. We have the fruit stall, the protein stall, the
Grain stall.
good. I think there's something in there that's is that
Oh.
grain.
It's for me.
Oh, Ben has been stealing the fruits. You can tell he's hungry again. We have the animal stall and the vegetable stall. Okay, girls. So, you're going to go to each stall and you're going to say... Wait, first, the stalls are going to say, what do you want?
I want some
Food. Okay, good. Here we go. Ready? Do you guys want to sing a song?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
To the market.
To the market.
We're gonna buy.
We're gonna buy.
We're gonna buy.
We're gonna buy.
We're gonna buy some food.
We're gonna buy some food.
Good. Here we go. Are you ready? We're going to buy some food. Go find a stall. Buyers. go find a
Grains.
stall.
Grains.
Protein.
Amazing grains.
Okay, good. So, ready?
I want some bananas.
Please.
Please.
Good.
Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. I want some yams. I want some eggs, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go.
Okay, good.
I-
Don't forget to put them in your
Yes.
basket.
Oh, sorry.
You can't carry everything. You gotta put them in
Okay.
your basket.
You got to put them in
Grains.
your basket like this. Okay, so here we. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go to the market.
We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy some animals.
Ooh, animals.
Some animals. Where's the animal stall? Quick. What do we say? What
do you want? I want a chicken. A pig.
Please don't forget to say the magic word.
Wait. Can you
Oh,
chicken in the basket?
that's a good question. Can we put the chicken in the basket?
No.
Is it too small or too big?
Too big.
So what do we do with the chicken? We carry it.
Carry
Good.
it.
Can I have a pig, please?
A pig.
Thank you.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market.
We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy some food. Quick, go find a food stall.
Protein.
And
Grains.
say,
What do you want?
I want some
bread? Seed bread?
Yes.
Okay.
Eggs, onions. Thank
There you go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go to the market. We're gonna buy some animals.
Animals again. Animals again.
Okay, and you carry on like this until everything is sold, and you can switch places. The sellers become the buyers, and the buyers become the sellers. Enjoy your shopping. Bye.
Bye.